In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these rear mud flaps on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Using a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Grab the wheel and slide it off. We're going to remove these two screws. Use a 8mm socket. Hold up the mud flap. We're going to use one of these washers. Go through the screw and get that started. Same with the other one. Go through the washer. Snug those down. Just tighten those. Those are good. I'm using a 1/4-inch drill bit. Just drill through where the hole is. There you go. Using this rivet and a washer, go through the rivet, through the washer with the rivet, and using a rivet gun, just squeeze the rivet. There we go. And you can do the same on the other side. Now put the wheel on, line that up. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.